Hey guys, what's going on? In this video today, we're going to talk about which theme to use when you're building your Shopify store. If you already have a theme in a store, don't worry about this. You could still watch the lesson if you want, but it's not necessary. All right. So the theme that I would recommend when you're first building your Shopify store is going to be the debut theme. The reason being is the debut theme is simple and it's also a very nice theme. And we've done, 6 and 7 figures just by using the debut theme. You could always upgrade your theme if you want later on and buy a premium theme. But when you're first starting out, it's absolutely not necessary. We still have stores running on just the debut theme. The reason also I like the debut theme is it's super simple, like everything is like clear cut, it's easy for the customer to like read and they can see where everything is at, there's not too much going on. And it makes for an easier checkout process for the customer. It just makes things super simple for yourself and for the customer, so why not? And it's proven. We've used this theme over and over and over. So absolutely what you want to do is go with the debut theme. When you're ready to customize your store, you could go ahead and click Customize. All right. And as you can see here on the left side, if you click on something, it shows you what you're editing. All right. So I'm just going to quickly just go through this briefly and say what pretty much you should have. Right. You should have a menu bar up here, which we're going to go over in the next lessons on how to set that up. You'll also have a footer bar down here, which we will go over on how to set up as well. So basically what I would recommend here is, you're going to have your logo here, right? So anything you click on, as you see, you could select image, logo, image. It tells you what should be up here. So it's pretty simple. And then, the main menu, that's what's up here. That's where you're going to edit this basically in the back end of your Shopify store. All right. This is the front end of your Shopify store, and the back end is where your settings are and where you set things up, which we'll get into. So there's different things you could use here, show announcement if you want to announce something here like a sale. But basically, I'm going to show you quickly how to set this up. Over here in the image with text overlay, you could have just a regular photo. Shopify has free images you could pick. So you can pick something that's, super generic, general, especially, obviously if you're starting out with a general store, you don't want to have a picture that's super specific here. For image with text overlay, you could write whatever you want here. If you have like a brand, like a, brand saying or something like that, you could put that in here. Or, you could announce sales here, whatever you want. You got to understand though, a lot of people, when you're running ads, they're not going to end up on this homepage. They're going to go straight to the product page. Over here, I would do like an about us and type it up here. And then here, again, you could put an image of, anything you find from the library image that would go with like an about me. All right. And then, let's go over here. Text with columns. Usually I'll just hide this. I don't really need it. Image with text overlay, I would hide this one as well. Don't really need it. And you could drag these and move them around if you want. Don't really need a gallery. You could add sections here if you want. You could do a collection list. Click select. You would select your collection over here. We don't have anything obviously, because I haven't set it up. This is like a dummy store. Remember also to, when you're doing the color scheme of your store, make sure that it, is congruent with the color scheme of your logo. You don't want to have like too many colors. Maximum colors you want to have on your website are 3 colors. So for example, if your logo is white, blue, and green or something like that, then you want to technically keep the color scheme white, blue, or green. Announcements, Announcement bars will usually be like red because you want it to pop out and for the customers to see it. But anything else, you want to go with the color scheme of your logo so it looks very professional, presentable, and congruent when customers are on your store. But don't be too overwhelmed about this, guys. In future lessons, we're going to be talking about how to optimize your website, what your website should look like exactly, and we're going to be talking about how to build your product descriptions and give you a template and all that fun stuff. I just kind of wanted to do this to get you guys familiarized with, what it looks like, and, for you guys to start playing around and familiarize yourself with it. That way it becomes easier later on. All right, that's pretty much it for this lesson, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.